Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
So just a regular 320. So,
Appreciate it. What vehicle?
it's a 2014 Grand Cherokee Summit.
Grand Cherokee.
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna shut this. Oh, you got it? Okay. That's cool. You got an auto shut. Just wanted to make sure. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, man. Jacob, what's up?
What's up, man?
What's your name? What's in here, man?
Dominic Estrada. I got a 320 updated alternator, 2 Cyber 12Ks, Salt 6, and I believe 2 F515s, SPL V2s.
Okay.
I believe I'm not too familiar with F5s. I just got them from a buddy of mine.
Okay.
So that's why I got in just stock mids and highs from that at a time.
Okay.
So
Who built the box?
what's up?
Who built the box?
My buddy named Zach. He built it. It was like a last project thing is what we had. We had a whole setup going on, but it just didn't fall through. So
Yes, sir.
This is what we got.
Okay. Nice. What is your amplifier to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Looks really good. Does it do better windows up or down?
I think the Windows is better when it's up. I think so.
You're good. Yeah, I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah.
Sounds really good. What was your name again?
Dominic.
Dominic. I appreciate it, man.